Good morning, Texas Random. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. So tomorrow we're going to be going to another car show. It's not going to be Coda, it's going to be Dallas. Expecting a great turnout. Washing the Ford truck right now, representing the squad. Hope we see some hypercars. I know there's some Bugattis in the area. There's a Pagani in the area. Hopefully we'll see some awesome McLarens. Can't wait for it. Totally stoked. Stay tuned. Good morning. It is 5:30 the next day. We're going to start a 3-hour journey to Dallas, Texas. We're going to stop by some donuts first. Smash like if you like donut. We are expecting a huge turnout. Cars and Cantina Instagram page and Park Up Plump claim it might be the biggest show yet. Hopefully that's true. I'm really stoked. Got the donuts. Now let's head to Dallas. Whoa, it's daytime. Wait, abnormally really nice parking lot. Wait, is that Cars and Cantina? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cars and Cantina, where you see really nice Porsches just chilling in the spectator lot. I don't even know what's going to be over there. I am excited. We got the two Mustangs behind me. We got the GT350 and then the normal V8. So we got to get over there. We have to get over there, but there's no crosswalk. Murcielago coming in 3, 2, 1. We got the Murcielago. Jeez, look at this thing. I want to hear this V12 rev so bad, you got no idea. We have an 812 Superfast right here. Man, I've never seen an 812. This thing is awesome. Holy crap, this V12 is insane. I want to hear this thing rev also. I want to hear all these cars rev. We got the Pista, we got the 720S. I think I see this GT3 RS at Austin. I'm not sure though. This is insane. We literally got a row of Lamborghinis. It goes on forever. Got the Aventador V12, Batmobile. It was an SV. Got the Huracan, and oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a full carbon Pagani Huayra in the area. Right behind it, a LaFerrari. Holy moly. Oh, that's Tim. Look at that thing. V12 AMG. Oh, yeah. Got the LaFerrari. Oh, dude. V12 hybrid monsters. Oh, my goodness. The Lamborghini squad never ends. We got like 4 more Huracans that pass that way. We got a Huracan. We got a Gallardo. Is that what that is? Yeah, old Gallardo. We got a Senna pulling in. It snuck past me, I guess. Holy moly, when a Senna sneaks past you. Look at that wing, Girth Nation. We got a second 812 Superfast. 4-liter V8. Oh, yeah. That startup, even though it's lukewarm, sounded so good. Jeez, this freaking spaceship, dude. Holy moly. Huracan Nation. There's so many cars here. It's amazing. I'm in love. The amount of value in this restaurant parking lot is just. I'm gonna start a B-roll. There's a GT40 right there. Ford Performance. So I'm gonna start a B-roll. Hope y'all enjoy. We have the 8080 Supra. If you watch the Stradman, you know what this car is. It is a tuner. It is a wide body, painted wide body kit Supra, and it's a raffle, and he freaking won it, and he drove it all the way back from Utah. Look at this wide body, man. Girth Nation, welcome back to the vlog. Look at the freaking thickness of this, man. 8080, man. This is what an awesome experience for this guy to win this car. Oh, we got a nice McLaren with a wing on it over here. Oh, look at the wing on this thing. It's gorgeous. That is amazing. Look at this color on this V12 Aston Martin, man. I like this color. It is orange. I cannot get over this hypercar lineup, man. Dude, this Pagani full carbon edition, holy moly, this is an experience. Look at that thing in Transformers mode. That's awesome. Dude, this car is insane. They got the V12 AMG. Dude, that interior is mental. That was a Huracan. Look at this interior. I want to see the key. The key of this car is like the shape of the Huayra. This car, man. Oh, got the LaFerrari right next to it. Got the 812 super fast rolling out. Oh, got Mustang. Guys, just look at this Murcielago lineup. This is insane. Look at this guy's license plate. That is a perfect license plate for a car like that. What is your favorite color? I think I'm gonna have to go with this blue over here. That's my favorite color. Not every day when you get to see a Diablo SV. This car is legendary. Look at that V12 5.7 liter. Oh my goodness. The scissor doors. I can't get enough of this car, man. It's got to fit between the Diablo door and the Aventador SV door. Hashtag first world problems. Oh, look at this car, man. We got it next to the Huracan and then the Aventador. This Diablo SV. Oh my goodness. Smash like for Diablo, smash like. Startup on a Gallardo. Oh yeah. Got another 812 over there. Got an awesome old NSX rolling in, fashionably late. I like that. Carbon fiber, looking good. Got another classic rolling in. Got an old GT500 Super Snake. Oh yeah, that thing looks great. I would love to drive that car. We got a Huracan leaving the car show. Got that. Nice V12. Aventador. Nice, nice. V12 sounds good on that Aventador. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Got a cold start on a Pagani Huayra V12. Oh, so much noise. Got the Pagani Huayra full carbon rolling out. Oh my God, that looks amazing. Got the LaFerrari rolling out. We got the Senna rolling out. At the LaFerrari. I think that's his son. I'm not sure though. And we got the Senna. Holy cow. That is a lineup and a half right there.
But you can tell there's just a group.
Got the R8. We got the Mercy Squad rolling out. Oh, that V12. Oh yeah. I wish I was over there. It's the loudest bug. Oh my goodness. Got the squad. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Huracan sounds so good. Huracan. We got the Aventador. Got the Vent. Oh, the Diablo SV. Oh yeah. 812 super fast. Oh, that sounds so good. I like that old Porsche. Oh, Supra. Don't run over my face. Oh yeah. Looking good. The Ferrari and the Huracan are rolling out. Look at that Camaro, holy crap, it's a Mad Max. He has a GoPro. AMG GT, 6.3 liter V8, right? I think. Oh, that was a flex, it just closed on its own. What is that? That's a nice car. What is that? Leave down in the comments if you know what that is. Stance Nation, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Representing the Stance, we got the Nissan 350Z. Nice. Look at the stance on that bad boy. He just peeled out and then he just got zapped. Running. Oh. Got your TT3 RS. Oh, got the Supras rolling out over there. Oh, that's awesome. Right-hand drive Supra. Look at the rims on that bad boy. Bleach. That's awesome. The bass is shaking the whole freaking car. Just hit a 360 Ooga Booga right in the intersection. Holy crap. It's a Volkswagen Bug truck. Dude, that's awesome. Got the Supra. Sounds so good, man. Got the McLaren GT rolling out. Man, those things are freaking fast. Pop, pop. Thank you for watching this video. If you do like it, like squad, leave down in the comment, what was your favorite car? Mine has to be the Pagani Huayra, the full carbon. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next vlog.